Hi guys, so welcome to another video. We've got Arslan in the hot seat today. He's going to be having another fit-in, a Christmas fit-in for Arslan in the chair. We've washed and shaved down his hair on top, obviously his previous transplants. We've taken that down with a wet shave. This is the before shot, obviously, before the system goes on. So hair system is now in place, all attached, beautifully bonded, fantastic hairline. All we're going to do now is just start to cut. We'll start by feathering the edges first. But it's got that fantastic natural hairline, bleached knots, graduated hairline, making it look like the hair is coming directly out of the scalp. Okay, so this is the close-up now. The haircut is complete, all beautifully blended into the sides and back. Seamless blending. Beautiful graduate hairline, freestyle knot in, so the hair moves in any direction. Just put a little bit of Tresemme conditioner in there just to help keep the hair styled.